Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to explore a famous TransAlpine train journey from Arthur's Pass village. This tiny railway station is full of charm and history. It reminds us of the early days of rail travel in our life. We started our day at Fox Glacier after a hearty breakfast. Then we drove to Hokitika town. We even visited an amazing lake, though it was raining lightly. Every moment felt fresh and wonderful. Our hearts were ready for the adventure ahead. Our coach dropped us off at the Arthur's Pass village railway station. One big plus was that we could leave all our bags in the coach. This made our journey light and hassle-free. The coach will pick us up later in Christchurch for the next leg of our trip. Now let's talk about the TransAlpine train and the journey itself. This scenic train takes you from Greymouth to Christchurch. It crosses vast plains and climbs into the towering Southern Alps. The train features large panoramic windows, which let you see the rugged mountains and lush landscapes up close. The ride feels smooth and modern, yet it carries a slice of history with every turn of the track. Many travelers start their memorable trip at Arthur's Pass village. This small station is steeped in history and welcomes you with its charming rustic character. The train station itself may be small, but it holds many stories. Back in the day, Arthur's Pass was a key stop for miners and settlers. Today, you can feel that history in its simple design and warm wooden accents. Riding the train is like stepping back in time and still enjoying modern comfort during this short 2.5-hour journey. If you enjoyed this journey, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Tomorrow is going to be our final day on this memorable tour. Our next stop is Christchurch, where we will visit the famous Antarctic Centre. That will be the highlight of our last video of this New Zealand trip. So stay tuned and thank you very much for watching this video. Bye.